Making a broadcast channel for Instagram helps you to make your contact and audience even better engagement way. How can you interact your audience in a better way with broadcasting channel? Let's see step by step guideline. What you need to do is first open your Instagram account. Make sure your app is updated because sometimes when app is not updated, it creates a lot of problems. After that, you have to go to the DM. That's simple. Just going to the DM helps you a lot. After that, here you can see the plus icon. Just simply click on it, and yep, you're ready to create awesome channel, broadcasting channel for your audience. After clicking on that, just send your message, whatever you want to send. You can send voice note and different stuff, images, links, and stuff, which helps you to engage your audience. So this was how you can create an Instagram's broadcast channel. Instagram is a pretty popular application when it comes to social media platform, memes, culture, news, and I'll see you in the next one.